This is exactly how to use your PlayStation controller on Forza Horizon 6 on your PC. So firstly, what you need to do is that you need to make sure that your controller is turned off here, and now we're gonna put it into pairing mode. So we put it into pairing mode by clicking on this button here and this button at the same time. So click on it at the same time here, as you can see. And now when it actually blinks like this, it means that it is now in pairing mode. So now what I need to do is to go to my settings here on my PC or laptop. I'm just gonna make sure to actually focus here so you can see what I'm doing, and then go to Bluetooth and devices here. Click on add device and click on Bluetooth here, as you can see. Now make sure to click on your DualSense wireless controller here, as you can see, and now you should be able to connect it. So once it's connected here, you need to then go to Steam. So I'm just gonna go to Steam now, and then click on the Steam logo in the top left corner, then click on settings, then scroll down and click on controller. So you can see my controller is now recognized, which is perfect. Now I can just click on show advanced settings. Make sure that the PlayStation control support is enabled right here, as you can see. That is very important. If this one is disabled, then basically it's not gonna work. You can also click on enabling games without support as well, because then all the games will have it basically. So yeah, that is exactly how you can now start playing your Forza Horizon 6 game on your PC with your PlayStation controller.